Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to swipe up to open the list of all languages, then find and select the one that you would like to have your device in, and in my case it will be English, and it's time to select the country or region, so let me find UK. Here it is, and now click on Setup manually. You can add Face ID if you want to, but I will skip it for now. Obviously, you can set it up later. You can do the same thing with the passcode, so if you would like to protect your phone, you can add this passcode now, but you can also do it later, so I will skip it for now. Don't use passcode. And now you can transfer your data from your previous phone, or you can skip it as well, and this is what I will do. Now it's time to log in with your Apple ID. If you do not have one yet, simply click on Create. Here, just click on Forgot Password or Don't Have an Apple ID, and then follow these steps, and I will log in with mine. So let me enter email address. It's HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com, and then click on Next. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me enter mine off the screen. And as only it is entered, click on Next. And now just wait a couple of minutes until your device is set up. It will just upload all the info from your account, and now you have to come in with terms and conditions and click on Agree if you do. And if you don't, just click on Done, but then you will not be able to activate your iPhone. Now patiently wait another couple of minutes. And now you can keep your iPhone up to date. If you want to, you can install updates manually or do it automatically. I will pick the second option, but you can pick whichever you would like to have. Then just activate location services if you want to, so click on Enable Location Services. And you can also continue with Siri help or set up later in settings, and I will pick the second option. Now you can also activate screen time, so you will see the report regarding your usage of the device, but I will also set it up later. And you can also share all the analytics with Apple, and I will pick Don't Share, not yet. Then you can also change it, and also now you can activate True Tone Display, click on Continue, and pick the appearance that you would like to have. You can pick dark or light. You've got both options, but I will pick light. And also display zoom, so you can pick standard or zoomed, so it's up to you. I will pick standard for now. And finally, just click on Continue. Now you can also switch between recent apps. You have also quickly access to control, so it's just notification. And now you can start using your device, so you have to swipe up to get started. And now you can use your device. You can set up all the settings that you want to set. Simply unlock your device, and now you can do whatever you want to with this iPhone. Here it is. So that would be all. This is how you can activate your Apple iPhone 11. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.